What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a super quick look at Vechain here. We are going to keep it really short and sweet because we are going away for a few days. So we're just going to do basically a quick overview of what's been going on. But you can see here quite clearly, as we always said, we've got our range here that we had since we basically made it in May. We come down, we come back up, we form our range. We've got our descending wedge as well. You can see this quite clearly drawn in on the chart. Once we break out that resistance, we did get our nice bounce off the bottom here. Basically in confluence with quite, pretty close to the bottom of our overall channel here as well. Big bounce to the upside. We come all the way back up to essentially the top of the channel here where we form another little range. Basically looking something like this, you would say. And you can see what's happened. We've basically come up, come down, kind of consolidated, broke through the top of this little range, got rejected at the top of the big range, and then the big crash for Bitcoin has obviously dragged the whole market down with it, at least a lot of these bigger altcoins. And you can see here, we basically wicked all the way down to around 10 cents, which is where we got a bounce, and then we come back up, and we're currently in and around the 55 and the bottom of the range here, trying to find a bit of support for a bounce, aren't we? And it does seem as though, the longer that this goes on, the more likely we are going to see a bit of a bounce to the upside. And it really does seem like a matter of time, in our opinion, before we get, a decent move to the upside again after this decent correction that we have had. Considering how bullish that we have been recently, it would probably be, we'd probably say realistically, we're probably going to do something like this where we chop sideways for a bit and then we just start to make our way back to the upside. Obviously, everyone knows that September is generally bearish time for markets. So in a few weeks, we'll probably start to see a bit of a pickup in October as well. So basically, this is what's been happening, isn't it? And today's no different. You can see quite clearly here that we are just, having a bounce again off the bottom of this range, aren't we? So nothing really much else to say. Short-term price predictions. If we roll over, we've got a level here at 10.5 cents. And that 10-cent level we would think is very strong support as well if we did lose the bottom of the range. And obviously, we've got price targets of the 20 moving average here at 12.5 cents. Coming upwards of around, what is this, the 14.5 cent level. And then upwards of around that 15.5 cent level as well of that overall range. If we do start to move to the upside, and then we've obviously got our overall Fibonacci retracement levels as well. We do think 50 cents to $1 would be our price target for Vechain. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.